got a really chill morning ahead of us. Oh, I think the boys are calling. That means we're on the same schedule at least, so that's fun. I almost just kicked you in the face so hard. It's chaos here!
Hello?
I'll start this video again in a second. Okay, so we just figured out things with the boys a little bit. They are gonna eat first breakfast, I guess, and we are going to meet up around 7:30 just to give us all time to like shower, get ready, do all of that, and then we're ported from like 1 until 8 today. One thing we potentially had on our list is we're gonna go to a lot of like landmark style things today because obviously it's
Peace Park.
An important like historical place, and we also have a Google reservation at a Wagyu steak place, but because we're doing Cagney's the night after today, we're like, I don't know, it's expensive, I don't know if I want to do that. So, we'll decide what we want to do based on how everything goes, but we've honestly been having so much fun just choosing like hole-in-the-wall style places that I don't really know if we need like a fancy one. Yeah. So, anything else you want to do today, Eric?
Get better.
Yeah, we're definitely still both croupy. Like, Eric's definitely, I think, worse off than me right now because he's like a couple days behind. But even my voice, I'm sure you can hear. And like throughout the night, I had such a, like it's so dry in here that like the cough was kicking up. So hopefully we both get better soon. All right, we are eating at Windows this morning.
It's so beautiful.
It is beautiful. Look at those windows behind. I know, it's actually stunning in here. This is, I think, the prettiest place on the whole boat. What did you guys order?
Waffle.
Oh, that's pretty. That's very pretty, Jackson. What was it, French toast?
I got pancakes.
And then Matthew got pancakes. Those are pretty, too. Kayla got a Belgian waffle, which, I'll be honest, it could be prettier, but I think it'll be yummy all the same. Look at the photo. I let Kayla get her. Oh, my gosh. We just made it to Hiroshima. Just pulled into port. Matthew's here getting medicine. And then Eric is doing really great. So, yeah, we're gonna go and explore there today. We don't have an excursion, so it's all on our own.
This was the Japanese laxative.
No, it wasn't. No, it wasn't. No, it wasn't.
Just take 6.
I took 6.
What the heck?
I'm gonna die.
What the heck?
Well, something's gonna happen.
We're about to go.
We're going to the Peace Gardens.
Yep.
That's where Obama was.
We're just about to get off the ship.
What?
Where
In the
Obama
Peace
was. He went to the Peace Gardens. Hopefully it's good. We're trying to decide if we want to go to the castle and stuff like that. Or are we not going to the castle?
No.
No castle? Okay.
We can go buy it, I guess.
Is it close to the Peace Gardens or no?
Yeah, it's pretty close to the Peace Gardens.
Sounds good. Well, then we'll start at the
We'll go to
Peace
the
Gardens and we'll go from there.
We'll go to the Peace Gardens.
See, we just made it off the boat. We've got the boat back there. A huge monument there. It's a beautiful bay.
It's great.
It is very bright. It's pretty hot too. So jackets may come off. But it's nice weather. We got really lucky. We're walking through. Are we actually in the Peace Park now? We're in Hiroshima in the Peace Park. We just got finished buying some deodorant at a local convenience store. And hopefully there's a fun day ahead of us. The pharmacist was super, super nice. If you ever need help, they will be happy to help, but you will have to do a lot of miming unless you speak Japanese. And then they'll still do their best to help, but they don't have everything. So
I should go more.
here we go. Very pretty.
It's very pretty.
It's the flame right there. In the middle of the Peace Park right now. You can see the dome in the distance. That's the Peace Bell. It's interesting, all the artwork around it too. We just made it to this cute little spot. Okay, cool. They've got donuts, whipped cream, custard and whipped cream, strawberry and whipped cream. What the heck? This is fun. If we want to eat or drink in the store, we're supposed to order drinks as well.
Wow. We don't have to eat or drink in the store.
just stopped at this cute little place called Kitchenette, and Kayla got a drink and a donut. Yay! We were gonna get strawberry ones with whipped cream, but they were out, so I got this cute little custard one. Matthew's here too, as a resident translator, but he didn't order anything. So I'm waiting on a mocha smoothie. We'll see how it all turns out, but it's a super cute place. They've got like little wood accents everywhere and stuff like that. So yeah, very cute.
Alright, so Kate got me a custard donut from a little place in Hiroshima called Kitchenette. And I'm gonna go ahead and try it. Pretty good. It's almost vanilla-y. Good powder. Good one.
We just finished grabbing our little snack and we went to Lawson's for the first time instead of 7-Eleven. Now we're just hanging out at the show. What?
The dome. That's so we know where we are.
Yeah, down there. Here, let me see if I can get it to focus. You can see probably in the distance. I've got my coffee in my one hand. That's the dome over there. So we're in the Peace Park, just enjoying the really nice weather. It's funny, you can see a fish jumping in and out of the water over there. There's definitely some animals in this water, and it's beautiful here. What did you end up being at Hiroshima?
Very somber. A lot of good memorials.
No, it was high energy.
No, we're ignoring Matthew. He's being contrary, but
That's
It
no.
was
I,
what
really
about
pretty.
what about the city itself? Like, how has it been different for you than some of the others?
I feel like the areas we went were very floral.
Floral? Like they had a lot of plants?
Yeah, a lot of plants and stuff.
Does floral not mean flowers?
It does.
no, flora and fauna. Flora means
Yeah.
Does floral not mean flowers?
I hear the special doctor.
Oh. We're just getting to the ship, and we checked this out earlier, but I wonder what the lights are like. This is the Tower of Paradise, I think. Wow. So pretty. It's a party getting back on the boat tonight. And so our hero attempts to eat the largest bite of salad in the world. She's done it, folks. She's done it. What did the rest of you guys get? Matthew?
The lamb.
Hey, same. Yay, lamb. What about you, Jackson?
Very ladylike.
They haven't brought it. Wait, yes they did. Didn't Shorty take it away?
Got ravioli.
He got ravioli. What about you, Eric?
Meatball.
Meatball. What a good-looking meatball.
Mama! I got some leaves with sauce.
Just chilling, waiting for the Battle of the Sexes coming up. We're hoping it's gonna be fun. I just looked at, oh gosh, I said I just looked at my watch, but I mean, I just tried to look at my watch and I knew it was late. But it's 1 p.m. and we have not recorded anything today. Kayla, why not?
This is the most boring day in the entire trip ever. And it's all Jeremy's fault.
His name is Jerry, and it is sea day today, and really there's like nothing on the schedule. Plus the boat is absolutely schmoovin'. We have been, honestly, this morning I was like dying. Eric just is here to...
Watch my face. We just played ping pong for so long.
Most
And
boring day ever.
It's hot. It's so much fun. I love sea days.
Are you having fun, Jackson? How are you doing?
Yeah, I'm having the most fun out of everybody, which is only a little bit, but it's really fun.
That's not true, Jackson, because I'm having more fun than you.
Kayla, are you having the most fun?
They're lying.
I think they're having an okay time. They both like ping pong, but Kayla and I just looked through all the photos that she took on her like digital / like retro kind of cam, and that was fun. And other than that, I think I might watch some of the X-Men movies and sleep today. I've also been watching Drop Dead Diva. What are you gonna do, Kayla?
Today, right, Yoshi? You're the only one who understands me.
Are you gonna believe us or the lady who talks to Yoshi?
And then I think Matthew's honestly asleep in his room. Eric finally got over his sickness.
Yeah.
He's just a little creepy. I think Matthew needed one more day.
He's
and
just
then
a little creepy.
no,
Croupy.
croupy.
You're the creepy one, Kayla.
Yeah,
I've never heard of the word croupy.
You've got like croup in your lungs, like gook. It's kind of like gook, or like nonsense, nastiness,
I thought you were trying to nibble Kate.
phlegm.
Kate, look out. She's trying to nibble.
I don't want to get nibbled. We did it. It's fancy dinner night. We're all dressed up and eating at windows right now. We are also dealing with the rocking of the boat. So, you know, Caesar salad it is. We're trying to finish in time for the 7 p.m. show. It's what is it called? Burning Boots?
Burn the dance floor.
Burning boots.
So, I don't think we're going to make it, but we'll see. Anything else? Did you guys do anything today you want us to remember forever?
No.
Kayla and I watched Deadpool. We ended up doing that. And that was it.
Jackson and I played ping pong, and he drew a shrine from Japan.
It was pretty. I really liked it.
I pouted on the top deck.
She did.
Oh, she did pout a lot.
And then I brought her back to the room.
And then I went to the garden cafe where I continued to, well, I fell asleep.
Why did you
Pouted
throw
some
this
more.
tantrum?
Because I hate myself. I want Japan bad, and I am in Japan waters.
And
Yeah.
whose fault is it?
Yeah, we were actually in the Philippine Sea.
Jeremy's.
So Kayla hates at sea days. We're definitely ready to go back to exploring tomorrow.
Jeremy's.
But
She's never gotten
It's
it
been
right.
a decent day for everyone feeling a little down and ready to not be thrown around at sea. I'm ready to be back on solid land. For sure. What did you guys think of the show? We just went to Blazing Boots.
It
was the best one we've had so far.
Yay. Not us. Sorry. My bad. Okay, let's try that again. Now that I'm not getting off on the wrong floor of an elevator, what did you guys think of the show?
It was really good. I really liked it.
Best
Yeah.
show that we've seen so far.
Definitely.
It was fun that it was singing and dancing, not
The
just
best
magic.
non-magic related show.
I agree. Yeah.
Thank goodness.
You know, it was a little wild, but it was mostly, it was just
It was
a
fun.
good
It was
fun.
entertainment.
And I was glad we knew most of the
Yeah.
songs. Like,
It
I
was
feel like
fun.
that helps too, because it makes it like interactive
Yeah.
and fun.
Well,
so,
good job.
Yay! And then tomorrow we're going to Okinawa, which is also Naha.
Naha, Okinawa.
They said it's probably going to rain. So that'll be fun. It'll be our
Good
first
time.
rain day, pretty much, other than that one Tokyo
We got
night.
soaked though.
That's
You're
what
right.
they made
That's
us all
what
get
got us sick.
sick.
No.
But anyway, yep, so tomorrow we'll see what happens. Yay!